Hi, my name is Rupaditya and you are watching Sensor Stories. So I am here looking for some birds and some wildlife animals. So I have with me my Canon M50 Mark II with a 55 and 200 mm lens. I'm going to go now and try my luck with bird photography and see what we can get. Wish me luck and let's go. I am on a 3-day trip. This is my first trip dedicated to following my passion. I have been to jungle many times, but this was my first experience to document birds. The weather was very nice to start my trip. Recently, the coastal areas were hit by a huge storm. There was a constant overcast, sunlight and rain were in bits and pieces. I was looking to capture some landscape first, as I was afraid to directly go and shoot birds because they are a difficult target to master. What if I don't get good shots? That would definitely hamper my confidence. So as you can see, I'm already sweating here, even though it's morning time. But so yeah, there are some birds flying there. I want to show you, but I'm not sure if you are able to look or if you are able to see. There's one more. There's one more. I'm not sure if you are able to see this, but surprisingly there are a lot of birds here, and they're also very patient. So I'm able to photograph them. It's very tricky to maintain a continuous focus on these birds as they move fast around the beaches. You might lose focus while on video, although on photo, since it's a still image, you need not worry about that. But mostly during creating a video, so yeah, there are a lot of birds, and let's see if we can capture them with our camera. While I was walking, I spotted an Indian pond heron who is known for its deathblow fish hunting. It would stay steady and wait for the perfect time to strike. I was excited to witness it live and record everything with my camera. This heron had just finished its breakfast by the time I spotted it. The sun was also over my head now, and the lighting was harsh. With a heavy heart, I decided to come back in the evening. When I came back, the ocean was roaring at its peak. The tides were really very high. I couldn't find heron at the same spot, but when I looked around, it was hiding in the shade. I'm trying to capture him and just waiting to see if he makes some movements or if he yawns or if any action is there, but it's still sitting still. Yes, he's on move. luckily, it was his feeding time. There we go. The heron was performing its death blow. The speed at which it was fishing was astonishing. My camera is not fast enough to keep up with it, but I tried my best. It is always about honing your skills and getting better every time. I was glad to shoot the heron with my M50 Mark II and was eagerly waiting for the next day because I knew more adventures were waiting for me. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you really enjoyed it. Do like and subscribe to my channel, Sensor Stories. So, until next time, we'll see you out again soon.